This is the voice of reason. The season of hope has come. Blessings do not come before the storms. When the road is rough, there is something beautiful ahead. SABC has delivered the good news. We applaud the monumental decision. 90% of South African content, 90% of better life, 90% of poverty alleviation, 90%. Bravo, Hlauti Motsoeneng and your progressive team. Bravo. You all deserve gold medals, medallions. Dankie Baya. Baya dankie. Dankie Baya. Baya dankie. Baya dankie. Baya dankie.
SABC has shown their love to us. No need to cry no more. 90% on SABC radio.
Chivenda tari mutuka wa haya habibi Dari never vendariri Ralibuwa SABC Yorita batunarine
Entertainment and music industry will never be the same again. Now is the time to celebrate our own. Now is the time to celebrate our Africanness. Now is the time to enjoy our God-given talents. God bless Africa. God bless Africa. God bless Mandela, Mashatini, Makeba, Chris McGregor. God bless Africa. Africa, my beloved continent. You are shaped like a question mark. You are shaped like a question mark. Like a question mark. Like a question mark.
Thank you, yeah, man.
Taita ikira akoro chakaide kwa masanye ngabantu bemama saka baba wana sibangisa makopolisa menzi yama
mazolo bakona tukona bangibeka amabala kuhlekwe
Senyorita Junior loyi mi bumabumela 90% ya vuyimbeleri bya la kaya eka SABC
na hina